Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope so you all are fine. Today I am going to start our unit number 9, acids and alkalis. So let's open it. The first topic is acids. Acids are basically solutions that taste sharp or sour. For example, oranges, lemons and lime. Some common acids are also used in our science laboratories. For example, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid and ethanoic acid, that is acetic acid. As these acids are much corrosive, so we need to handle them with great deal of care, because if they will split on our skin or clothes, we need to wash them immediately with plenty of water. Page 109, we have given a table that is showing the various acids and their common locations. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is found in our stomach and kills various microorganisms. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is found in vinegar, sirka. Next one is methanoic acid, which is found in the ants and various stinging nettles. ये मुख्तलिफ कीड़ों के ढंग में पाया जाता है. Then next one is a citric acid, which is found in lemon juice. Lactic acid present in milk. Oxalic acid is found in vegetable called spinach. Ascorbic acid is found in different fruits and vegetables. Tartaric acid, it is present in fruit called grapes. Tannic acid is found in tea. Let's shed some light on properties of acids. Acids are basically those solutions that have sour taste, जिनका टेस्ट खट्टा होता है. Acids are soluble in water. They can easily dissolve or mix with water. Strong acids are corrosive like hydrochloric acid, oxalic acid. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. Acids have pH of less than 7. Solutions which have pH range less than 7, they are called acids, and if they have pH of 1 or 2, they are called strong acids. Acids can conduct electricity when they are mixed with a solution, and they act as electrolytes. Let's discuss acids present in food and drinks. A lot of food material contain acids which give them sour or sharp taste. Food such as sauces and pickles contain ethanoic acid, that is vinegar. और मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की सॉसेस में विनेगर पाया जाता है. विनेगर सिरका को कहते हैं. इसका काम ये है कि ये खाने को प्रिजर्व करता है, महफूज करता है और ख़राब होने से बचाता है. Tea and soft drinks that we are drinking today, they contain large amount of carbon dioxide gas which is filled in them with great pressure, and when this carbon dioxide gas is mixed or dissolved in water, they form a very weak acid, that is carbonic acid. So our fizzy and soft drinks also contain acids. Acids also have lot of other uses in our laboratories. For example, sulfuric acid is used in car batteries and as a raw material for making many other chemicals, that is plastic material, paints and soap. Almost about 100 million tons of sulfuric acid are manufactured in the world every year. Nitric acid is also a very useful acid which is used to make fertilizers. नाइट्रिक एसिड खाद्य बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. इसके साथ साथ मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म का धमाका मवाद भी बनाने में इस्तेमाल होता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल explosives. Now let's open page number 110 and have a look to the acid rain. Acid rain is basically formed when carbon dioxide gas from the air dissolve in rainwater to make a weak acid. Normal amount of carbon dioxide does not harm our environment that much, but due to burning of fossil fuels like oil in power stations and increase in motor vehicles, they are causing serious effect to our environment. Sulfur dioxide is produced when we burn the coal and it is released into the atmosphere. This sulfur dioxide gas is mixed with the rainwater and form an acid called sulfuric acid. This acid is very strong, that is, it has low pH value and it makes rain more acidic. Acidic rain is causing serious damage to the plants and water life. It eats into the stonework, especially if it is in the form of limestone. Stone of famous building Taj Mahal has been corroded due to acidic rain, as it turns the white colored building into yellow color. All about our today's lecture. Thank you so much for your hearing. Allah Hafiz.